Hi friends, today we are going to see about object-oriented programming concepts in Java. OOPS concept in Java are class, object, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism. What is class? A class is a collection of objects of the same kind is called class. It is a logical entity. Class is a user-defined data type. Class is a complex data type. Class holds its member and member function. Class is like a blueprint for an object. Class definition starts with the keyword class, followed by the name of the class. Class structure. A class is a three-compartment box encapsulating data and operations. Inside class structure, class name, static attributes, dynamic behaviors are present. Examples of class: name, that is identifier, student, variables, that is static attributes, name, gender, department, marks. Next one, method, that is dynamic behavior, get details, calculate grade. Object. Any entity that has state and behavior is known as an object. It can be either physical or logical. Object is an instance of class. It gives life to class. When a class is defined, no memory is allocated. But when object is created, then memory is allocated. Each object has different data variables. Syntax of object: class name, object name. For example, here chair and sofa is an object of furniture class. Encapsulation: binding code and data together into a single unit is known as encapsulation. To hide our data in order to make it safe from any modification. The example of a medical capsule, where the drug is always safe inside the capsule. Similarly, through encapsulation, the methods and variables of a class are well hidden and safe. Abstraction. Abstraction refers to the quality of dealing with ideas rather than events. It basically deals with hiding the details and showing the essential things to the user. For example, we all know how to turn the TV on, but we don't need to know how it works in order to enjoy it. Second example, database system. In database system, it hides the details of how data stored and created and maintained. In Java, we use abstract class and interface to achieve abstraction. Abstract class in Java contains the abstract keyword. If a class is declared abstract, it cannot be instantiated, so we cannot create an object of an abstract class. Also, an abstract class can contain abstract as well as concrete methods. To use an abstract class, we have to inherit it from another class, where we have to provide implementations for the abstract methods there itself. Else it will also become an abstract class. Next one, interface. Interface in Java is a collection of abstract methods and static constants. In an interface, each method is public and abstract, but it does not contain any constructor. Also, with abstraction, interface also help to achieve multiple inheritance in Java. So an interface is a group of related methods with empty bodies. Inheritance and polymorphism we will see in next video. Thank you.